Hi everyone, so I have a completed project to share with you guys. This comes from craftartclub.com. So they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to go ahead and select some items so I can go ahead and share with you guys and use and review. So this is what I picked out. I got this adorable little Santa card right here, and I love the sleigh has these big old rhinestones right here. So that's really cute. And then when you open it up, it does have a little scene in here, and then you can write your little message right there. So there's that one. And then I picked dinosaurs from them. I love dinosaurs. I just think they're so interesting. So these came out amazing. Like usually I'll make these and then, plan to, share with other people. But I kind of want to be selfish and keep all of these for myself because they just came out so cute. So as you saw, these are just one-sided. And they came out amazing. So I can't wait to seal these. And I'm thinking that these are going to go ahead and be ornaments on my tree. I probably will, add some beads to it to make it like a little bead dangle because you guys know how much I love my beads. So I'm definitely going to be keeping those for ornaments. And then the next thing that I have here are some little angels. Now they look the same because their face is the same. But each one is actually different if you look in their wings. And these are double-sided. So I'll show you, the wings are slightly different on each little angel. So these are bigger, these are smaller. But other than that, everything else is exactly the same. Like her gown is the same. Her face is the same. Here is the next set of angels right here. And like I said, front and back is the same. And then here is our last little angel right there. So I think I like this one with the wings. She has, the bigger wings, and I feel like they're like pointing up. So that is everything that I received from them. So I'll leave a link to their website, and I'll leave a link to all these products down below so you can go check out craftartclub.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Oh, I'm hiding his little face. And we'll see you next time. Bye guys.